In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PayPal currency setting. This is an essential skill for anyone who frequently uses PayPal for international transactions. Changing currency settings ensures that you're operating in the correct currency, which can save you money on conversion fees and make your transactions smoother. Let's dive in. First, open a browser and search for PayPal. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, type in PayPal in the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of search results related to PayPal. It's crucial to select the official PayPal website from the results. This ensures you are accessing a secure and legitimate site. After you find the correct link, you will be ready to move on to the next step. Next, click the correct link and log in. This is where you enter your PayPal credentials. Type in your email address and password in the designated fields. Make sure you double-check for any typos, as incorrect entries could prevent you from logging in. Once you have entered your details, click on the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to complete that process as well. Successfully logging in is crucial because it grants you access to your account settings where you can make the necessary changes. Once that is done, click on the Wallet option located in the top menu bar. The wallet is your main hub for managing your financial transactions on PayPal. It displays your balances, linked bank accounts, and cards. By clicking on Wallet, you are navigating to the area where you can adjust your currency settings. This step is important because accessing the wallet is the first move toward customizing your account to fit your financial needs. You will see various options related to your accounts and balances. Now, click the three dots, which are the More Options icon, next to any currency balance on the left sidebar. This icon is typically located beside each currency you have in your account. Clicking on these dots reveals additional options related to that specific currency. It is essential to find the right currency because this is where you will make important changes to how you manage that balance. The interface will now display a set of options specific to that currency. After that, you should get the following options depending if it's the primary currency: convert currency, make primary, and close currency. Each of these options serves a distinct purpose. For instance, if you want to change the primary currency, you will select that option. If you simply wish to convert currency, you can choose that as well. Understanding these options is vital because it allows you to make informed decisions based on your financial needs. You will see all these options laid out clearly on your screen. Next up, click either of the options and follow the prompts. After selecting your desired action, PayPal will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the process. This might include confirming your choice or entering additional information. Following these prompts ensures that your changes are made correctly. It may seem tedious, but this attention to detail is what keeps your account secure and functional as per your requirements. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to change your PayPal currency settings. This small adjustment can significantly impact your transactions and make managing your finances much easier. Thank you for following along, and happy transacting.